The Trane XL15i series is the quietest of all our single-stage systems. Trane XL15i. It's efficient and economical and the right performance. Call Custom Services today to learn more at 918-622-8686.
Custom Heat and Air can stop the winter. Cold. Because when you buy a Trane XLi comfort system, you get a Trane XB furnace free, along with sizable ONG rebates and 36-month financing on eligible products. Now that should warm the cockles of your heart. And, well, the rest of your body too. It's hard to stop a train, so let Custom Heat and Air stop at your house. I bet your phone's pretty handy.
Visit us online at customservices.ac.